Hey, Unified Arts students, this is Miss Valley coming to you on this lovely Wednesday morning. It's a little video just to show you how to get things started with Google Hangouts today and what today is going to look like. So you are all invited to a Google Hangout Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. That's today at 11 a.m. We're not going to do little group Hangouts. We're just going to see how this goes. Just taking it week by week. So who's invited? The whole class. The topic of the day, your favorite story, your favorite book. What's the title? What's it about? And how does it make you feel? I think that'd be really cool to see what we're all reading. I got a few new books in the mail that I'm excited about. Maybe I'll share them with you guys. The book with no pictures. You'd think that would be a book I wouldn't like, but this one's really funny. I also got Sulwe by Lupita Nyong'o, which sounds really cool. And what else did I get in the mail? The Bad Seed, which seems kind of funny. See, Bad Seed. So those are my books that, well, I haven't read two of them. One of them is really good though. But yeah, so share your favorite book, the title, how does it make you feel? Make you happy, make you sad, does it take you to another world? Excited to hear about it. And it's a chance for us to say hi. In this Google Hangout, I'm going to take kind of more of a back seat and kind of invite more students to chime in. I feel like I'm kind of hogging everything, so we're going to see how that goes. For logging into Google Hangouts, I've got a number of ways that you could do it. I've attached this little link here at the bottom of our assignment. And let's see. Let's get out of that. Okay, so, but also, if you notice on the top of our classroom page, we've got this Meet link. It's our permanent Meet link, and it's embedded into this Google Classroom, so it's always there. You can just click on that, and it's going to take you right to the Google Hangout that we would have every week on Wednesdays at 11. Okay, so that's pretty slick too. Anyways, I hope that helps. I'm excited to see you guys all at 11. Yeah, let's give it a whirl, okay? I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm excited to see you soon.